Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Irwin number 1826576. This is a package of 2 replacement pads for their XP600 series clamps. When you buy one, you're buying a package of 2. So we'll put one down and just take a look at it. Dimensional properties. Overall length of the replacement pad, about 6.5, 3.5. Overall width, about 1 inch and 7/16. Thickness, about 7/16. Obviously your bar mount is going to go right inside of here. I guess some basic dimensional properties of that area. Looks like it's going to accommodate something about 1 inch and 3/8 by about 7/16 again, maybe ½ inch. Okay. Now there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page. From there you can pull up not only all of the Irwin products we sell, but a link to the full full catalog uploaded on our website. However, there is a link to the product brochure that relates to their clamping tools initially. If you were to pull that document up and then do a find function on your keyboard for 1826576, you'll certainly locate the table where those replacement pads are, and then other replacement pads as well. They're all listed there. Okay. Very handy catalog. It will allow you to go through not only the parts, but of course the clamps themselves. Okay. I'm partial to Irwin, not only because I'm a distributor, but because I sell the products and I use them myself, and that's the reason why I can attest to the high performance of much of the product line. If you have any questions on the Irwin 1826576 package of 2 replacement pads or any other Irwin product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.